Welcome students, Standard 4th, Subject EVS 1, Lesson number 4, Water Safe for Drinking. Students, you all know that we get water from lakes, springs, streams, wells, rivers, sea, etc. Water is an extremely valuable resource, so it should be used carefully. All living things need water, so water is called life. The proportion of water on land is very limited, so we must use water carefully. Now students, we will start with our first experiment. Take a glass half full of water, add a spoonful of sugar to it and stir it with a spoon. Repeat this experiment with each of the substance mentioned below. That is sugar, salt, honey, washing soda, alum, sand, wheat flour, sawdust, turmeric powder and some oil. What do you see students? Sugar, salt, washing soda, alum, honey disappear in the water. They dissolve completely in the water. But sand, sawdust, turmeric powder, wheat flour, oil do not disappear even on stirring. They do not dissolve. What does this tell us? Some substances dissolve in water while some substances do not dissolve. The substance that dissolves in water spreads throughout the water. When salt dissolves in water, the water in the container tastes salty. And when sugar dissolves, the water tastes sweet. Solution: when a substance dissolves in water, a mixture of that substance and water is formed. This mixture is called the solution of that substance. If someone gets loose motion or vomiting, we give them a solution of salt and sugar to drink. This solution is called ORS or oral rehydration solution. A patient in a hospital is sometimes put on saline, that is, on a solution of salt in water. Sometimes other medicines may also be given through saline. These are examples of useful solutions. Do you know seawater is salty to taste because it is nothing but a solution of salt that occurs naturally. We cannot use seawater for drinking. Water of different wells may have different taste. Why is that so, students? Some substances from the ground dissolve in the water. They give a taste to the well water. But if there is nothing dissolved in water, water has no taste. When we remove the lid of a soda water bottle, bubbles freeze out of it. To make soda water, a gas called carbon dioxide is dissolved in water under pressure. When the lid is removed, the pressure reduces and the gas bubbles out. Now students, second experiment. Fill a large container with water. Collect the following articles from your compost box: a plastic ruler, an eraser, a pencil, a sharpener, a rubber band, the compass. From your house, a steel spoon, a plastic spoon, some groundnut shells, an iron nail, a screw, a coin. And from outdoors, stones, little twigs, leaves, soil. Now put these things in the water and see whether each of them sinks or floats. What do you see, students? The eraser, sharpener, steel spoon, nail, screw, stones, coin, the compass, and the soil sink in the water, while the other things float. What does this tell us, students? Some things float on water, while some things sink in water. The objects that float on water are lighter than water, and the objects that sink are heavier than water. Students, today we have learned two experiments. Remaining explanation of this lesson we will learn in next lecture. Thank you.